Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute Christmas tree. Let's get started. First, we choose black color and the studio pen and the inking to draw a quick draft. Let's draw several short lines on a canvas first to determine the proportion of the tiers of the tree and trunk. Make sure the bottom tier is higher than the top one. Then draw some triangle shape as the tiers. Now we're gonna draw 4 rectangles and the tree as the gift box. And then draw a star shape on top of the tree. Now let's draw some wavy lines based on the triangle shape as the branches of the tree. Now we're gonna draw the detail of the box, the lid, the base, and the ribbon outside. You can also try to draw some different shapes of the box and the ribbon if you like. Now let's do the decoration for our Christmas tree. We're gonna draw a few curved lines on each tier as the LED light. Then we can draw some circles randomly on the tree as the glass box. Next, we can draw some stars on the tree. After that, click the Move tool to adjust the position and size for the draft a little bit. You can choose the freeform if you want to change the length to width ratio. So here I'm gonna increase the width a little bit. Now let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then we can easily draw the final lines based on the draft. First, choose the yellow color to draw the star. Then create a new layer below and choose the light green to draw the top tier of the tree. Make sure to draw different parts on different layers, which will help you to draw more shadows and texture easily later. When you paint the tree, you can use darker color for the bottom tier compared with the top one. Okay, then let's use brown color to draw the trunk below the branches. You can hold your pen after painting a line to make it perfect straight. Now let's draw the LED light by yellow color in a new layer. Choose the monoline brush under calligraphy. Then tap the brush again to change the setting. Let's increase the streamline to max and increase the spacing to around 65% until the dotted line comes out. Now we can draw the light really quick and easily. Now we're gonna draw the stars with light yellow color. Next, let's draw the glass ball with yellow color. Okay, now we're gonna paint the gift box. Draw different surface of the box on different layers, and we assume the light comes from the left side, so make sure the left side color is lighter than the right one. And don't forget to draw the ribbons. After drawing, let's tidy our layers. We can slide the box layer to right slightly, and then click the group button on the right corner, and then rename the group as gift number 1. Same with the other boxes, so I will speed it up here. Before we draw the last box, which is white color one, we can give the background a light green color. Okay, now let's draw the shadow for our Christmas tree. Create a new layer on top of the base layer and change it to clipping mask. Then tap the letter N on the layer to change the blend mode to multiply. Choose the same color with the base layer to paint. And change the brush to noise brush under touch-ups. After you update the Procreate to new version, you will find out the touch-ups renamed as materials. Now we can paint the shadow on this layer. So just make sure that the lower right side is darker than the upper left side. And don't forget, add some shadow for the decoration as well. And we will use the same method for all the other shadows. So I will speed it up here. Now let's change the color for the glass ball to make the bottom ones darker than the top ones. To do that, you can tap on the layer and activate the alpha lock. It will allow you to draw within that layer's shape, which is an easy way to change the color that you already drawn. Now let's draw the shadow for these glass balls. Next, we're gonna draw the shadows for all the gift box, which is the same method as the Christmas tree. Now let's draw the shadow for the trunk. Then create a new layer at the bottom to draw the shadow on the ground. Finally, let's draw some glow for the LED light and the stars on the tree. First, we're gonna duplicate these two layers. Then tap the Gaussian blur under the Adjustments tool. Slide to right to change it to around 5%. Then the glow effect comes out immediately. Then we're done for the cute Christmas tree drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time.